Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Digital Food Thermometer. Let's open the device and do unboxing. This digital food thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature of food during cooking or when checking for food safety. It typically consists of a metal probe attached to a digital display that shows the temperature of the food. To use a digital food thermometer, you insert the probe into the thickest part of the food, making sure it does not touch bone, fat, or gristle. The temperature reading will appear on the digital display within a few seconds. This allows you to determine whether the food is cooked to a safe temperature or needs to be cooked longer. Digital food thermometers are available in a variety of styles and price ranges, with features such as timers and alarms to alert you when the food reaches a certain temperature. They are especially useful when cooking meat, poultry, fish, and egg dishes, as these foods can harbor harmful bacteria if not cooked to the correct temperature. Technical specification. Temperature measurement, -50 degrees Celsius to +300 degrees Celsius, -58 degrees Fahrenheit to +572 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature accuracy, ±1 degree Celsius and ±1 degree Fahrenheit. Power saving mode, 10 minutes auto power off function. Power supply, 1.5 volt, AG13, X1 key. Features, 1. On OFF keys. 2. Celsius and degree Fahrenheit key. The display mode, this button can be degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit conversion function. 3. Hold key. Temperature conditions in the display. Press the LCD display can be maintained at hold state, then a measurement of the recovery temper. 4. Max/min key to view the maximum/minimum.